Before we get started with today's video, we'd just like to offer you a free online evaluation of your property. If you're interested in knowing the value of your home, just go to vancouverhousevalues.net, fill out the form, and we will instantly email you out the value of your home. Thanks again for checking out our video. I'm Jamie Hooper with Remax Crest and jamiehooper.com. Just wanted to quickly mention that if you get any value out of these videos, you enjoy them, please either click the thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or like our Facebook page. So, market is continuing along the way we've seen it the last couple of months. Inventories are continuing to rise and the market is slowing down. However, saying that, the market overall is still a seller's market. It's gone from being ridiculously busy to now really busy, if that makes any kind of sense. And the only place that probably makes any sense is in the world of Greater Vancouver real estate. Multiple offers are on the decline. So at this time last month, the third week of May, when I did the video, multiple offers at that time had been 66% of the detached houses that had sold in the lower mainland out as far as Abbotsford had sold with multiple offers. Well, at the same time this month, it's down to 54%. So I mean, that's still extremely busy, but it's trending downwards is the point I'm trying to make. Same with the condo townhouse market. Last month, the multiple offers had been at 62% at this stage of the month. Well, this month we're at 54%. So again, still trickling downwards. The average days on market have been about the same at about 12%. And so that hasn't changed much, but remember, that's of the properties that sold. At any given time, if over 20% of the properties sell in any given month, so if there's 100 listings and 20 of them sell, that's considered a seller's market. Now, what does that say about the other 80 listings that didn't sell? You probably have a good argument to make that those listings are overpriced. One more thing, the average price these properties are selling for compared to their listing price. So for detached properties, last month, on average, places were selling 3% above their asking price. That's a pretty interesting figure. I've never seen it at that point before. For the detached housing market in this month, in June, it's only 0.5% above the asking point. And for the condo market, last month was 1% above the asking price. This month, it's pretty much non-existent. They're selling right around asking. So as I was saying earlier, we're seeing less multiple offer situations, and that's because inventories are starting to rise. Buyers now have more selection. And so when this starts to happen, it starts a downward trend as we're seeing now. Now, this is also the time of year when real estate in Vancouver typically starts to slow down. It's busy between, mid-February to early June, mid-June, and now with the weather getting nice, we're probably going to see a fairly quiet summer this summer. So if you've been looking to buy a place and you're frustrated with constantly getting in multiple offer situations, this may now be your opportunity where you're not going to go in. There's going to be probably less buyers for a period of time because they're going to be out doing things in the beautiful sunshine. So remember that information. Let's talk about inventory levels for a minute as well. So on the west side of Vancouver, for detached houses, houses up 7% for detached. East side, inventory up 3%. Richmond, inventory up 2%. Ladner up 2%. Tsawwassen and North Van actually down. North Van's never got anything for sale. Tsawwassen minus 3%, North Van minus 1%, and West Van plus 5%. So downtown, let's talk the condo market for a minute. It's seeing more of a rise in inventory. The downtown condo market, 8% more houses for sale today than at the beginning of June. West side 5%, east side 20% more properties for sale than there were 3 weeks ago. When you start to see this, this is when markets will flatten out, when they start to see them. And then once, if there becomes too many and they start to not sell, well, that's when you'll see prices come back down. Ladner inventory levels are even. Tawasin up 3%, North Van even, and West Van up 5%. So let's have a look at what we think is going to happen here over the next 60 to 90 days. So as I mentioned earlier, we'll probably see things start to slow down here a bit in the summer. And then I would anticipate, assuming all market conditions stay the same, that then we'll see the fall will come back real strong. From Labor Day through to mid-December, we should see a really strong market out there again, unless something happens to change market conditions. I'm Jamie Hooper with RE/MAX Crest and jamiehooper.com. If you got any value out of this video, please click the thumbs up, make a comment, and we look forward to speaking with you again in a couple of weeks.